Hello! If you wanna make your Instagram account private, then you are in the right video. As here in this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process to make your Instagram profile private. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram profile. And now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. And now see here is a professional dashboard. I mean my Instagram account is a professional account. But the point is, you cannot make any professional account private. Firstly, you have to shift your professional account into personal account. So now I'm gonna show you how can you shift your professional account into personal. Okay? So first click on your profile icon. And now at the top right corner, click on this three line icon. And now scroll down a little bit. Now see here is the creator tools and control option. So click on it. Scroll down a little bit again. And now see here is a switch account type option, so click on it. Now click on switch to personal account. Now you'll see this pop-up notifications, just click on switch to personal account again. Now my profile is shifted to personal account. Now if I click on this profile icon, and now see there's no any professional dashboard in my profile, right? And now you can easily make your personal account private. Firstly, click on the three line icon at the top right, and now scroll down a little bit. Now click on account privacy. Now turn on this option, I mean private account. But just before making your account private, remember one thing. If you make your account private, then your post won't be available to public. Only your followers will be able to see your photos, videos, and whatever you share on Instagram. So now I'm gonna make my account private, so I've turned on this option. Again, you will see this pop-up notifications, just click on switch to private. So this is how you can make your Instagram account private. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.